Having the right compact circular saw can completely change your cutting experience. Today's video is on the top 5 best compact circular saws in 2023 through extensive research and testing. So, you'll never have to suffer through poor cutting quality and motor quality. I've put together a list of options that'll meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price performance or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Fifth on my list is the DNA Motoring Compact Cordless Circular Saw, a true game changer in the world of cutting tools. Each product by DNA Motoring is a testament to their commitment to research and development, ensuring top-notch quality for their customers. Rigorous testing and fitments guarantee that these tools arrive perfectly ready for any task you throw their way. The spindle lock button makes blade changes a breeze. Simply press it to prevent spindle rotation, ensuring quick and safe blade installation or removal. Plus, the circular saw's blade cover provides extra protection, keeping you safe during use. Safety is paramount with DNA Motoring. The circular saw features a lock-off switch, offering you peace of mind and secure handling while you work. With a 0 to 45-degree bevel capacity, this versatile tool allows for various cuts and applications. The quick depth adjustment feature means you can adapt to different working environments effortlessly, with a maximum cutting depth of 26 millimeters. The compact size and cordless design grant you unparalleled freedom of movement. No more being shackled by cords during your projects. The DNA Motoring Compact Cordless Circular Saw is designed with an ergonomic handle, giving you enhanced control and reducing fatigue during those long hours of work. There you have it, folks. The DNA Motoring Compact Cordless Circular Saw, your new go-to cutting companion. From safety to versatility, this tool has got it all. Please check link in the description box down below and read more information. Fourth on my list is the Worx Electric Compact Circular Saw. The Worx Electric Compact Circular Saw delivers lightning-fast and precise cuts, making your projects a breeze. No more struggling with bulky tools. This compact saw is lightweight and highly portable, perfect for when you're on the go. The Worx saw is made for lumber, slicing through 2-inch stock lumber like a hot knife through butter. It doesn't stop there. It can also tackle metal, tile, and plastic, giving you the versatility you need in one tool. The left-sided blade optimization ensures you have a clear line of sight on your cutting material, providing you with precision and accuracy like never before. At 4:1/2 inches and half the weight of a full-size saw, you get portability without sacrificing power. The thinner blade reduces strain on the tool, allowing it to work harder and longer, while the lightweight design lets you operate it with just one hand. Worx tools are built to last, and the Worx Electric Compact Circular Saw is no exception. Engineered with cutting-edge technology and surpassing modern efficiency standards, this tool is part of a cost-effective collection that will stand the test of time. The Worx Electric Compact Circular Saw is a game-changer in the world of power tools. With its quick and efficient cuts, versatility, precision, power, and durability, it's a must-have for any DIY enthusiast or professional. Please check link in the description box down below and read more information. Third on my list is the HYCHIKA Compact Mini Circular Saw. This compact powerhouse is ready to take your DIY projects to the next level. The HYCHIKA Mini Circular Saw boasts a 4 amps copper motor, giving it an impressive cutting speed of 4,500 RPM. Say goodbye to struggling with tough materials. This saw effortlessly cuts through tile, wood, plastics, plasterboard, and PVC. Durability and safety are top-notch with the heavy-gauge iron wraparound base and aluminum upper cover. Need to cut tiles? No problem. The grit diamond blade has you covered. Making precise cuts is a breeze with the scale ruler and parallel guide attachment. Plus, the Easy Set depth gauge lever lets you adjust cutting depth from 0 to 25 millimeters. Comfort matters, and the HYCHIKA Mini Circular Saw delivers with its soft rubber handle, reducing hand fatigue during those long projects. Worried about the mess? Don't be. The dust port and sawdust pipe can be connected to your vacuum, keeping your workspace clean. Safety is always a priority, and the double protection switch ensures worry-free operation. So, whether you're a seasoned DIY pro or just starting your journey, the HYCHIKA Compact Mini Circular Saw is a must-have addition to your toolkit. Its versatility, power, and precision will have you tackling projects around the house and workshop with ease. Please check link in the description box down below and read more information. Second on my list is the Rockwell Compact Circular Saw. This little powerhouse packs a punch, providing all the functionality of a full-size circular saw, but with the convenience of a compact design. Let's see what makes this tool stand out from the crowd. The Rockwell Compact Circular Saw is designed with your comfort in mind. Its motor in the handle offers a more balanced feel, making it easier to control with just the palm of your hand. This means smoother movements and increased maneuverability, perfect for those quick cuts. Adjusting your cuts has never been easier. The readily accessible adjustment lever lets you change the cut on the fly, while the bevel adjustment lever allows you to make precise cuts ranging from 0 to 45 degrees. No more hassle when it comes to blade changes. The Rockwell Compact Circular Saw comes with an included blade key, allowing you to switch out any brand's 4-to-1/2 blade quickly and safely. Enhance your cutting accuracy with the left-handed blade housing. Now you can see exactly where you're cutting, ensuring straighter, more precise cuts every time. Keep your workspace clean and improve visibility with the Dust Vac Compatibility feature. Hook up a dust vac, and it will pull debris right out of the air while the saw is in use. Breathe easier with better air quality during your projects. The Rockwell Compact Circular Saw, with its ease of use, quick adjustments, and convenient features, this compact saw is a must-have addition to your toolkit. Please check link in the description box down below and read more information. At last, first on my list is the Worx Cordless Compact Circular Saw. The world of modern woodworking and construction. The Worx Saw is a game-changer, designed with your convenience in mind. Its cordless feature means no more tangling up or doubling back on cords. Just grab it and get ripping and plunging. What's even more impressive is its compatibility with all Worx 20 and 40 tools, outdoor power, and lifestyle products through the Worx PowerShare system. This is the ultimate convenience for any Worx tool owner. The Worx Saw's housing features a lever allowing you to cut down to 1-to-1/16, perfect for one lumber. It may be small, but it's built to last with top-notch components and expert engineering. Worried about blade changes? Fear not. The Worx Saw comes with a spindle lock, ensuring quick and safe blade replacements. Just grab the included hex key, remove the battery, and press the spindle lock button. It's that simple. And here's the cherry on top. Connect your favorite dust vac to the Worx Saw and watch it keep your workspace spotless, eliminating dust and debris while you work. So, if you're on the lookout for a reliable, lightweight, and easy-to-use circular saw, the Worx Saw is the ultimate choice for modern woodworking and construction. It's time to take your projects to the next level. Please check link in the description box down below and read more information.